Hey, what's up, XRP holder? So XRP has fails down, my friend. In upcoming days, they're moving upward, they fails down. What's the prediction? What's the latest chart result, my friend? Everything discussed in this video, and what's the price target and what's the prediction? Everything discussed in this video with details. So kindly don't skip any second of this video, and please subscribe our YouTube channel and press bell icon for videos notification. And don't forget to like this video if you need this type more informative videos. Please like this video, my friend. If you can see here, the last 7-day chart is on the screen. After this, my friend, I'm going to show you the last 1 hour chart, the current chart, what's going on in the current time. But definitely, first of all, you see this time, you can see here this time the last 7-day chart is on the screen. And if I do a prediction, my friend, then absolutely after a failure day, after a jump, they fails down, and after this failure, they also take a jump. So definitely XRP moving at this style. Every cryptocurrency is moving at this style. You can see here after a very bad falls, they take a very good jump, my friend, and they hit the resistance line, my friend. And if they hit the resistance line, then absolutely, my friend, they are in the profit. And absolutely this time you can see here the change occurs in positive plus 0.96%. They're moving up, so definitely that's mean to they moving up in upcoming days also. So if we check out, my friend, the last 1 hour chart, then first of all we know through the current chart, the current price. You can see here this time the current price is 1.69 US dollar, my friend. And then you can see here the price is increased now. So definitely the price is increased now. You can see here this time touch the highest point. You can see here if the target is here, my friends, so 1.68 US dollar, they can easily hit it, and they're moving up like a rocket. Definitely after this, you can see the resistance line is here. So definitely after this jump, they fails down. So if they're moving like downs, absolutely, my friend, they cross the resistance line. But I hope, my friend, in upcoming days after a fails, they take a long jump. So the good time is coming soon. Kindly, you can see here this time the change occurs in positive plus 1.06%. they're moving up. So definitely after this fails, they take a jump. So holder, this is the latest change occur, and this is the latest price. And in upcoming days, I hope, my friends, they're moving up like a rocket. So don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video for latest this type informative videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.